No way out. Put this flag in standard picoCTF format before submitting. The flag was, hi, I'm the flag. Submit picoCTF, hi, I'm the flag to the platform. All right, so I've downloaded the Windows game. I've got that over here. And it looks like a Unity game. So a useful tool for dealing with .NET applications like Unity is dnSpy, which I've also downloaded over here. And then I have the game I'll run here. I just put some command line arguments so it'll be on the screen that I'm capturing as opposed to my other monitor. So we need to escape to find the flag. We can wander around this little world. There's a ladder, which I can climb if I have any. Fortunately, I have like 0 manual dexterity, but so there's a flag up there. All right. So I tried to jump over the wall. That was unsuccessful. So what I'm going to try to do now is cheat a little by modifying the game. All right, let's see here. Close that. And we'll use dnSpy. Actually, before we do that, I'll show you something else here. So we get a lot of information. We can actually do strings on level 0. And if we do that, that's the flag there. It says, welcome to Unity. It's not particularly obvious that that's the flag, but we could have just tried that with strings and gotten the flag. But we're going to go back and cheat at the game a little bit because that's more fun. And we'll come back to dnSpy. And I've got open the assembly C#. So assembly C# has most of the player logic. And we have this player controller. We have the Evolve Games namespace. And we can see, if we have a ladder and we can climb, then we can move in that direction. There's the crouch key. We're grounded and we're not climbing. Then we can move direction minus this gravity delta time. All right, so here it says if we are pushing the jump button and we can move, and we're grounded and we're not climbing, then we're going to set the move direction to be the jump speed. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to make life a little easier for myself. So I'll just say if the button is pushed, then I'm going to be able to jump. So I don't have to be on the ground. I don't have to be not climbing. So I'll just allow myself to jump. So we'll compile that. We'll save the module. Okay, so now let's try running the game again. So we're running the game and hopefully, so now I can sort of fly. I managed to land outside the wall. Okay, landed outside the wall. Turn around, run over there. So there's my flag, the welcome to Unity with 2 exclamation points. And And we can throw that over here. So picoCTF, welcome. I think it's all caps, right? And there we go.